Happy Independence Day to everybody! And here today we have our tricolor flag. Here we have the oranges, the orange carrots which are in season, the small elaichi bananas what I've taken here, and we have the green capsicum, and this combination is specially created for all those who have acne prone skin, hormonal acne, people who have been complaining of blemishes, marks, scars. I think this is going to be just the DIY that you guys need. We can make this into a smoothie and then into an amazing body butter. So stay tuned for this amazing pack coming up soon. This is blended so thoroughly, guys. I can't even see the carrots, and I think this texture has come out super amazing. We're going to strain this and we're going to drink this. It's tasting so delicious. A lot of people may wonder that how would capsicum taste with banana and orange and carrot, but I have been recommending capsicum juice for such a long time, guys, for acne, and it works miraculous. And this is tasting khatta meetha, so it's yum. So here we have the yummy smoothie. You guys have to try it to believe it. It's pretty yum. And here I have the residue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little yogurt to this, but I want you to use low fat yogurt. The skim milk yogurt, we do not want the full fat curd, guys, because we're treating acne here. We don't want too much grease on the skin, but at the same time we need something for the perfect pH balance, and that's just about a teaspoon of yogurt that I have added. I'm adding normal wheat atta in this. There is no chana atta, besan, nothing that's going to dry your skin again. A little balance of pH is what we will get by adding the wheat atta. Now we have a completely optional step, guys. If you have the Iping Skin Aloe, that's great. If you do not have the Iping Skin Aloe, please add a little turmeric. That will work wonders, especially for acne. I'm going to be adding my Skin Aloe, which is already infused with vitamins, minerals, as well as wild turmeric, which is going to be fabulous again for acne prone skin, or basically for every skin type, for brightness as well as for giving you that lovely finish. The texture is what we want, which you can also get on your own. You can just blend all these ingredients together. And here we have the blended mix. It's turned out really smooth and buttery. You can use it on the body, you can use it on the face, and it works very well for blemishes as well. You can drink the juice and apply this regularly for great results. Hi guys, so a lot of us are always concerned about acne, scars, blemishes, and we're looking for the flawless skin remedies. We all want natural remedies, and we also are always looking for the best creams and products for our skincare. But let me tell you what is the most essential skincare, especially for your acne, scars and blemishes, are your natural juices. So more than 80% of my clients have got clear skin only by drinking healthy, nutritious juices, which are great blends, especially for their skin. So we customize the blends for you. But today in this recipe, with this smoothie, I'm sharing with you a recipe which is great for almost everyone who is suffering from blemishes, scars and acne. This juice can be had by each and every one, and you can try it. If it's working well for you, continue having it, be consistent, and in addition to that, do your DIY, and of course back it up with the right products. That's just support, but the main thing is your nutrition, so don't forget your healthy juice. The DIY pack which we just created is right here, and this is something that I can just straight away apply on my skin, so I need not have any kind of acne or scars to use it, guys. You can just use it anyway for great skin, and you can anyway just apply it all over your face, body. You can do a patch test. It's very neutral, so it will work beautifully for your skin pH as well. And I would love to use it on my skin too. I'm waiting to do my DIY by the end of the day, so I'll definitely try it on myself tonight again. And meanwhile, I'll be enjoying this nutritious healthy juice for great glowing skin. I hope you guys make your recipe soon too and share your feedback. I'll be totally looking forward. Stay natural, stay beautiful, stay eye pink.